Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics working. Make sure your PC has Bluetooth or a spare USB port and that your Xbox controller is charged. Once done, plug the controller in or press the Xbox button and enter pairing mode, then use Windows Settings Bluetooth to add the device. You do this now because a stable connection prevents input lag and dropouts later. After the controller appears, test the Xbox button and thumbsticks in Game Controllers settings to confirm communication before opening Roblox. Once connected, launch Roblox and enter a game that supports gamepads. You should navigate to Settings Controls and verify gamepad input is enabled. If the game uses keyboard-only controls, enable Roblox's gamepad option or use the developer's control scheme. If buttons feel awkward, open the Xbox Accessories app or Steam input to remap triggers and sticks. This matters because different games map actions differently. After remapping, restart the game so Roblox picks up the new layout and test basic movement and camera control. You finish by calibrating and stabilizing input. Use Windows Game Controllers calibration or the Xbox Accessories app to remove drift and ensure triggers return to 0. If the controller stops responding, reconnect it, try a wired USB connection, and restart Roblox. This clears temporary HID conflicts. Make sure to update the controller firmware and Windows because outdated firmware causes button mapping errors. Follow these steps and you'll maintain consistent control. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.